Okay, mathologist, here we go. What can run but can't walk? Water. Mathologist, you ready? Let's get it, okay? We're looking at the next part of partial quotients, okay? We're looking at two-digit divisors, all right? Two-digit divisors, meaning the number we're dividing by has two digits, okay? The 1 and the 4. We want to make sure that you're understanding those words. Dividend, divisor, and obviously our answer is going to be the quotient. When you're doing the partial quotients method, we want to make sure we have our line that's extending all the way down, right? We want to make sure we have that line. And then we're going to, again, multiply our divisor times numbers that are going, when we get our product, is going to be less than this 367 so that we can subtract it. So let's start off with 14 times 10. I like to start off with those numbers that I can easily put my zeros on the end, right? So 14 times 10, it's going to give me 140, because when you multiply by 10, add a 0 to the end. When you multiply by 10, okay, I'll stop. So let's subtract it, okay? We have our 7, 2, and 2, right? 227. Can we do 140 again? Let's get it. We want some more. We're going to do 14 times 10 again to get 140. Let's subtract that. Okay, we know that this is going to become a 12. Let's regroup. All right, we have 87. All right, this time I want to switch it up. Let's switch it up because we can't do 140 again. Let's do 100. Let's do 14 times. Let's do 5. Let's do 5. Now, if you're getting better with your multiples, right? If you don't know what this is, you can write that out, right? Do your multiples of 14. I know that's 14. It's 28, right? We can keep going until we find out what that fifth multiple is. Here we know it's going to be 70, okay? So minus 70. All right, that's going to give us 17. Now, is 17 bigger than 14? Yes, we know it is. So that means we can still take out a little bit more. And what we're going to do is just take out 14 times 1. So that's all that we can get, right? 14 times 1, which we know equals 14, leaving us with 3. And remember, if once we have an answer that is smaller than our divisor, then that becomes our remainder, okay? So we add up all of these factors here, 10, 25, 26. So that gives us 26. Don't forget your little guy, remainder of 3. Let's get it. Hey, mathologist, remember when you're doing your partial quotients method, you want to continue to take away from your dividend until the number you have is either 0 or less than your divisor. Once you have a number that's less than your divisor, then that is your remainder.